Okay, we're here. We're not at Dog Island, but we're at the airport. Yes.
Let's go.
On the plane. Okay, you're on the plane. Goodbye, says frogthe cat as she goes home. Okay, the flight is taking off. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Save. Let's see. Dog Island. I hope it's in here. Yes, I hear it in here. Oh, it's not in here. I wonder where it is. It better be safe. Aha! Dog Island.
Ah. You have it.
Okay, the flight will be landing soon. The flight will be landing at 7:23.
Okay.
I hope that's the right way. Dog Island, yes, I did put it in the right way. Okay, the flight will be landing in 2 minutes. 1 minute. Attention, the flight will be landing in 1 minute.
Okay, I'm ready.
So let's see. I hear the planes. I hear the airport is in. I hear the airport is in Green Meadows. Wait, actually, Treeley Woods. Yes, I hear it's in Treeley Woods. That's not far. You want to listen to this?
No, not really. I already listened to it a million times.
Na 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 na. Okay, quickly, we need to get to Treeley Woods. Let's see. Boris. Attention, attention, the flight will be landing in T-minus 15 seconds. 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. The plane plane's wheels are being taken out to land. The plane has landed. Now, wait for Mars Girl to let you all off the plane. She's late, too. Okay.
Hurry up, Mars Girl.
She didn't know we were coming to pay a visit. Uh-oh.
Where's the airport?
This is the airport. Okay. You've gotten a... Okay, we're off the plane. Now what do you want to do?
Oh. Let's go fishing.
Okay. Wait a second, it's evening. Maybe we should go to my house and sleep.
Oh, well, okay.
And then tomorrow we'll have a fishing trip.
Okay.
Uh-oh. It's getting night.